In this video, let's take a look at the way that you change the Jio Hotstar plan. Welcome back to How Training Everyone. If you're trying to change the current plan that you have for Jio Hotstar, in this video, let me show you the process. Let's head over to the app of Jio Hotstar, or you can also do this process through the web app. Once you are inside of the application, make sure you head over to My Space, which is on the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on the My Space option, you'll be able to see the option or the button which says upgrade on the top right. If you have not yet subscribed to the Jio Hotstar plan, instead of upgrade, you'll just see a button which says subscribe. In order to upgrade your plan or change your plan, tap on the upgrade button on the top right. You'll be now taken to the section where you can choose a different plan. But firstly, you're going to see the current plan that you have. You can choose from different plans that are available, such as Super and Premium. You can also take a look at the benefits that each plan provides. Also, you can take a look at the 3-month or yearly payments and the charges they apply. So select the plan that you'd like to subscribe to or upgrade to, and then tap on upgrade on the bottom right. Lastly, you'll need to select your payment method, whether you're trying to pay with your debit card, credit card, Google Pay or PhonePe. Just select your payment method, enter in the amount if you're not using a card, and your plan will be immediately changed or upgraded. That's pretty much all for this video. That was a quick video about the way that you change the Jio Hotstar plan. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.